Hey guys, so I'm just trying to fix the trellis up here that's going to be attached to the gate. So
the moonlight shines so bright. I wish that I could close my eyes and drift into a comforting sleep as I lie here beneath my sheets, thinking about what could have been.
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On my channel, I bring you guys along with me as I try to create a garden from bare land, and I show you the mistakes I will be making so that you guys don't make the same mistake. Now, in today's video, I am so excited. I'm gonna bring you guys out. Yesterday, I had someone here helping me put up my gate to the main garden area, and also fix the trellis that I have put up. I didn't do a good job, so he was able to help me fix it, and I still have to do some painting and some planting, but I'm gonna show you guys the gate and also the things that I'm going to be planting. So let's just get started. But before we do, I just wanted to give a small shout out to this channel. The channel is Quiz Mojo. If you guys know me, I love books, I love quizzes and everything, and he does all these small quizzes that you can answer and all that. So if you guys don't mind, just check him out. I will also link the channel below in the description box, and I'll also put it right on the screen here. But let's just get started and I'll show you what's going on, okay? Hey guys, so here it is. It's just being put up right now, and I am really excited.
I do worry over every situation, the feel of desperation. All that matters now is that I really know that you.
Hey guys, this is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna fix this side on here, the trellis that I have. But look at this though, there's water in my thing here, and my little bridge. I have to raise this bridge up a bit, but look at this though. There's water in my little brook right now, which is kind of amazing. It's going over there. Yeah, and then the one that I built is right there. And then my little gate. Oh, I love this. Gardening is so much fun. So yeah, so let me just finish digging the hole because I want to correct the trellis over there. And then, yeah. Hey guys, so do you see that? The gate has been done all around. Also the post. I don't know if you guys can see it. This has been cut down, and this has been corrected. It's now like on an even level, which is really exciting. I'm gonna try to open this way you guys can see. So excited now that I can have my gate like open, just go through, and it opens right through here. I still need to paint. Let me bring you guys closer. I still need to paint the wood that is attached to this one here, and I'm actually gonna repaint this also, the birdhouse, so that everything is even. But once that's done, I'm also going to clean this side here. Do you see that? I have plants that I'm gonna put here, and I'm also going to put some hydrangeas right here along this fences right here. And that's the water. The water, I don't know what's going on with it, but it's so exciting to finally have this here. I am so addicted to gates, and having this here really excites me. I'm not gonna lie. You can see how this is right here from behind. Yeah, and then the creek again is full, which I'm in love. Oh. Look at how nice this thing is. It opens right up into this gorgeous space that is right here, you know. So hopefully I am like, I don't know, I'm just so excited. The difference is amazing. That's just a quick update. I'm gonna come out later on. It's not as cold today. It's like 2 days to Thanksgiving. It's not as cold. So I'm gonna come finish painting this, and then I want to clean this bed, like I said. And I have plants. The ground is very soft, so I'm gonna plant some hydrangeas along here. I'm gonna plant some hydrangeas along here, and then some plants on the other side as well. And then I'm gonna work on, you know, cleaning the whole of this inside here, because I want to put some tulips right here so that with springtime I can see the gate opening, and then I'm going into my beautiful spring garden. So yeah, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.